Early fall is exactly the time to sow the seeds of cover crops in the empty vegetable beds, so they have time to germinate and grow before frost. Cover crops are plants that are grown not to be eaten but to be cut down and incorporated back into the earth. This plant matter improves the health and structure of the soil by adding back some of the nutrients that were taken up by the vegetables in those beds. In addition, they improve the tilth of the soil and increase its capacity to hold moisture. Also called living mulch or green manure, cover crops are best for in-ground and rest beds where spent plants are removed and soil would otherwise lay bare all winter. The clippings act as mulch, breaking down over time, and the roots keep soil from eroding or blowing away in winter storms and winds. It is an easy, inexpensive, and less labor-intensive way to enrich soil that doesn't involve shoveling or dragging around heavy bags of amendments. While not entirely labor-free, we still have to dig the plants into the ground so they can decompose, but it's an easier job. Cover crops can also solve problems in the soil, whether it's low nitrogen, compaction, or erosion. To increase nitrogen, we planted legumes, alfalfa and red clover. To break up hard soil, we planted daikon, radishes that help with hard, compact, or clay soil, plus they are edible. To control erosion, when the root system is left in the ground, pretty much any cover crop helps control erosion. But the roots of clovers, winter rye, and winter wheat are especially dense and effective for this purpose. The cover crop suited to fall planting is red clover. Others, such as buckwheats, crimson clover, and white clover, do better planted in warmer weather. When planted in spring, the flowering cover crops such as clover, buckwheat, and alfalfa attract pollinators. More pollinators mean better pollination rates for the flowers and vegetable garden. Broadcasting the seed over the soil and gently raking it is ideal. Watering using a fine mist or gentle spray, not a strong spray that could dislodge the seed, is essential. We had to pull a stray weed out, but other than watering, there was nothing else to do but watch the cover crops grow.